Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing. You guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below, check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer. Take advantage of the Amazon's free shipping now for all customers, and also including Prime members. Let's see what they have here today, guys. And what we got here? Oh boy. This is some good stuff right here. I think it's Andobil. It's a hub, 4 USB connections, wide capability, fast transmission. We need something fast. That's all the good stuff. Thing supports a lot of devices. We got the MacBooks, tablets, Androids, cell phones. How do I open this? But yeah, definitely see what other goodies they have to offer you guys. But this would be a great stocking stuffer for any techie out there, especially now. We never had this stuff when we were kids, so definitely like this new technology. HDMI, RJ45, SDTF, Type C, USB 3.0. There's all the thumb drives, the micro, the TFs. It's a nice packaging, wide capability. Oh boy, here we go. What do we have inside? How do I open? Get out. There we go. Oh, come on. It's gonna rip it. It's gonna rip the thing open. Get out. It's probably an easier way to do it, but it's all good. Oh, it's stuck. There we go. Get out. Alright. Ooh, this is a nice design. Check them out right there. Andobil. Oh, there's the USBs. If you guys can see it. And then we got the back of the TF. And a HDMI. There's a TF slot. Fast charge. Oh wow. So that's all really cool. You can hook up your phone to the fast charge SD. This is really nice. Here's a phone for the Macs and all the other goodies. This is a nice little USB hub. Portable size, easy to carry, travel with. All you gamers out there going to the Twitch cons and all the good festivals, Comic Cons, and definitely a nice one to carry with you guys. Get your fast charging, uploads, photos, Snapchat. Awesome stuff right here. Got the USBs. I don't think there's any really. There's a little quick. There's a 3.0 interface for mouse, keyboard, disc. Whoa. 4K, HDMI, Ethernet, fast charging. Really cool. So there you have it, YouTubers. Check them out. The link will be down below. You guys have a good day. Be safe out there. And I'll see you guys back probably later on today or tomorrow. Alright, YouTubers. See ya.